Hi guys. So today we'll see user experience designer certification maintenance summer 24. So what is the recommended best practice? So if you cite a customization Salesforce components by overriding their CSS, right? So we can use supported techniques instead of overriding the CSS. Which new style control can be found in the theme section of experience builder. Specify the padding, determine the colors or the patterns to K. AB will go for D. So what is the purpose of the new focus state styling in SLDS? So which appears as a dark blue line around the premier to the components. We'll go for E. Next, so how can developer ensure their tests are ready for Salesforce adoption of a native Shadow DOM in base Lightning components? So we can rewrite any test that relied on the protected internal DOM structure. Next is how can you design automatically style a store to match their existing brand? So enter the URL for an existing branded site in the commerce setup assistance. So what is the final step in the guided flow to create a referral program and the promotions? Right. So review the advocates and refer their friend's journey. Done. Let me check. Yes, completed. So user experience designer certification maintenance 2024 completed.